If you found this video today, know that your guardian angels have a special message that could change the course of your life. There is someone in your inner circle who was completely surprised by a decision you recently made. The question lingering in the air is, what exactly did you mean by that choice? The angels are whispering that you made a decision no one, not even they, expected. Now, they yearn to uncover the motives behind it. Their minds are filled with assumptions, their hopes are high, but what they most desire is to know the truth behind your thoughts and intentions. This decision has taken everyone by surprise, deeply shaking the foundations of your closest relationships. Suddenly, everything changed between you and this special person, as if a new phase of life had begun. Now the connection you share follows an unknown path, a direction that leaves everyone curious and a little apprehensive. People around you want to understand if this choice was deliberate, if there was a plan behind it, and most importantly, what this change means for the future of everyone involved. The impact of this choice is not small. Friendships and family relationships are now on uncharted ground, full of uncertainties and questions. Was it intentional? Was there a clear purpose? What should we expect going forward? These are the questions on the minds of those around you. And it's no wonder, because significant changes in our lives always bring a degree of discomfort and insecurity, causing us to question the stability and future of our relationships. Your decision took everyone by surprise. However, this surprise is not a sign of disapproval. Rather, it indicates that something important is happening. Those around you were used to your attitudes and positions, and your choice, being so unexpected, sparked a wave of reflection. Everyone wants to understand the reasons and the impact of this decision, showing a genuine interest in what it represents for the future. This moment of change can be unsettling for both you and others. Abrupt changes are often accompanied by uncertainty and insecurity. However, they also open up space for personal growth and development. It is essential to recognize that, despite the initial surprise, this special person who is caught off guard by your choice cares deeply about you and wants to see you live a full and happy life. This is a time for open and honest dialogue. Communicating your reasons and feelings can help dispel any misunderstandings and strengthen relationships. It is a chance to explain your point of view, your hopes, and your plans for the future. Clear communication is the key for everyone to adapt to the new situation, keeping emotional bonds strong and healthy. From the beginning, your presence has become essential to this person, creating a bond that you both value and place above many things. So when you make choices that affect this special relationship, it is natural that it causes a significant impact. He is trying to understand what your decisions mean, especially if they point to your desire to further deepen this connection. This possibility fills him with hope, fueling a silent dream that maybe, just maybe, your relationship could turn into something even more profound and romantic. On the other hand, there is a calm acceptance that, even if this evolution does not happen, having you around is already a great gain. The idea of losing this special connection by misinterpreting your actions worries him a lot. That's why he may seem a little different now as he processes this new stage. This reaction is natural, given that he doesn't want to risk what you already have based on premature assumptions about your motives. Thus, it is crucial that you remain firm in your decisions, not just those that affect this relationship, but in all aspects of your life. Firmness in your choices conveys security, allowing him to adjust to the new reality without fearing misunderstandings. Communicating clearly and openly can help clarify your intentions and alleviate any anxiety he may be feeling. It is an opportunity for both of you to explore what this change means, without haste or pressure, respecting each other's time and feelings. This period of adjustment is proof that your relationship is strong and flexible enough to withstand changes. It also shows the importance of dialogue and mutual understanding. By sharing your thoughts and listening carefully to his, you can further strengthen the connection you have, regardless of how it evolves. The attitude of sharing your motivations with those who care is vital. However, it is essential to shield yourself against external influences that may try to shake your confidence. The key to a successful life is to believe in your intuition, that internal compass that guides your decisions toward the future. In moments of doubt and hesitation, when we choose to follow an unconventional path, it is trust in our intuition that guides us forward. Although the fear of the unknown is understandable, it should not hold us back. Facing new challenges and exploring uncharted horizons may be exactly what we need to achieve significant personal growth and discover important aspects about ourselves. Often, it is the unexpected paths that lead us to enriching and transformative experiences, which we would never experience if we were content with the safety of the comfort zone. If you feel like you're at a crossroads or facing an unknown opportunity, trust your intuition and take a step forward. Even if the path is uncertain and challenging, it is through the courage to explore the unknown that we find new perspectives and possibilities. Remember that it is normal to feel apprehensive in the face of the unknown, but it is precisely in these moments that we have the chance to overcome ourselves and grow. By accepting the challenges that come our way, we open doors to a future full of discoveries and personal achievements. It is essential to understand that your journey is unique and that the choices you make should be aligned with your own desires and aspirations, not with the expectations imposed by others. Moving forward, even in the face of dissenting opinions, strengthens your integrity and reaffirms your independence. Each step taken represents a statement of your identity and your right to determine your own destiny. Understanding that your journey is unique and that the decisions you make should reflect your desires and aspirations, not the expectations of others, is of paramount importance. This process of moving forward, despite divergent opinions, strengthens your character and reaffirms your autonomy. Every step taken is an affirmation of your identity and your right to choose your own path in life. In this process, open and honest communication with those around you, especially with this particular person, is essential. By explaining your reasons and sharing your aspirations, you not only strengthen your relationships but also build a solid support circle. This circle will be your safety net, offering encouragement and constructive feedback when needed. Therefore, remember that it is your vision, courage, and confidence that guide your path. Challenges and uncertainties are part of the journey, but it is your determination to pursue your dreams that defines how far you will go. There is nothing more rewarding than looking back and seeing that by following your heart and intuition, you have reached places that once seemed unattainable. Stay true to yourself, embracing the opportunities that life offers with optimism and openness to the new. This is the essence of a fully lived life, marked by constant learning and personal growth. To conclude, I offer a special prayer dedicated to you, Lord. In this sacred moment of reflection, I lift my prayers to you, seeking support for this person who finds themselves in the face of an unexpected and surprising decision, a path that left hearts full of love in a state of deep reflection. I humbly implore for light and discernment amid the whirlwind of emotions and uncertainties they now face. May clarity illuminate the veil of confusion, allowing them to see beyond appearances, and may honesty and openness pave the way for genuine communication. I pray for the courage to express their true feelings and to bravely seek the essence and reasons behind these decisions, moving away from the shadows of fear and misinterpretations. May this journey of discovery be a source of strength for the bonds that unite them, whether in deep friendship or a love that blooms over time. Guide them, O Lord, to trust in their instincts, those internal whispers that guide their steps on the path of goodness and truth. May they embrace, with open hearts and resilient souls, the infinite possibilities life has in store, knowing that in every moment of doubt or decision, your divine presence surrounds them with love and protection. May this experience, filled with learning and growth, lead them to a deeper understanding of themselves and each other. May they find in the shelter of your grace the happiness they long for, recognizing that in every challenge, there is an opportunity to strengthen even more the precious bonds they share. Grant them the serenity to accept the changes they cannot control and the wisdom to cultivate love and friendship in all their forms. Under your sacred guidance, may they walk together, confident in your constant vigilance and your infinite love that surrounds them. May this shared path be illuminated by the light of faith, hope, and unconditional love. Amen. To claim the blessings contained in this message, type 1111. Don't forget to leave a positive comment, as this not only uplifts your own spirit but also spreads kindness among other viewers who may be looking for a boost of positivity in their day. Remember that every act of kindness contributes to the cycle of good karma, attracting positive energies. Let us join forces to create a wave of positivity. And stay tuned for the next important message awaiting you in the next video. May God and the universe light your steps with peace, love, and faith. Amen.